The U.S. military announced on Saturday it had attacked a Houthi anti-ship missile in Yemen as the group prepared to launch the projectile into the Gulf of Aden. This event has increased concerns about a wider war in the Middle East amid the ongoing Israel-Hamas conflict. In recent weeks, the Red Sea tensions, increasing attacks on U.S. and Israeli bases in Iraq, and Iranian strikes on targets in neighboring countries, along with the Israel-Lebanon border tension, have again fueled speculation of a larger conflict. The Middle East region is of great economic significance. It has the world's largest reserves of oil and other energy resources. The Red Sea is vital to international trade. The escalation of tension has had devastating economic effects, and countries in the region are the first ones to bear the brunt. According to the chairman of Egypt's Suez Canal Authority, ship traffic in the Suez Canal has decreased by 30% since the beginning of 2024 compared to the same period last year. A latest World Bank report on global economic prospects says attacks on commercial vessels in the Red Sea have already begun to disrupt key shipping routes, eroding slack in supply networks and increasing the likelihood of inflationary bottlenecks. The report also warns that this situation could have significant spillovers to other commodity prices and heighten geopolitical and economic uncertainty. This, in turn, could dampen investment and lead to further weakening of growth. Political leaders and experts have repeatedly called for ceasefire and peace, as the deteriorating security situation could once again detonate the Middle East.
Israel should not be able to determine the fate of this region. Israel should not be allowed to continue to drag us into the abyss of war.
People in Gaza shall be allowed to peacefully and with dignity and in a safe way live in Gaza. So no forced replacement, displacement, refusal of displacement of people of Gaza. This is definitely some point we can all agree.
Y debemos reconocer el derecho que tiene todo país a defenderse y a existir, pero con la misma convicción y con los mismos valores debemos exigir que se detenga la muerte de civiles en Gaza. En algún momento de la legislatura tendremos que abordar el reconocimiento del Estado palestino por parte de las Cortes Generales y del Gobierno de Estado.
The most decent things that please do not create a humanitarian crisis. Back to negotiation table. Create a two-state solution, learn to live in peace.